Manford 2V super precision milling machine built to military standards, made in Taiwan, weighing 2,200 pounds. Featuring 49 by 9 inch table, 36 inches of longitudinal travel, 12 inches of cross travel, 14 inches of vertical travel, 15 inches of overarm ram travel, 6 inches of quill travel, R8 spindle taper, variable speeds from 60 to 4,500 RPM. Three horsepower main motor, 220 3-phase 60 cycle electrics certified to CSA SPE 1000. Hand scrape bedways and table. 3 power down feeds on quill. Spindle brake with electronic shutoff. Equipped with pendant control box. X-axis servo power feed made in the United States. Coolant system and splash guard. Large electrical box with 3 NEMA plugins. Halogen light. Shown with 3-axis Sino digital readout. Leveling screws and pads.